Hey guys, sorry I haven't recorded for a while. I even put my status once that I've quit. But sorry, I had to pause for a second. My dad finally got off the phone. Anyway, Kawaii Nicole said hi, so I said hi back. Uh, and she sent some gifts, so awesome. She is awesome. She's ultra awesome. Ha. Right, so I basically had a cold for ages, and I finally got over it a little bit. So I had a few 2 weeks of school. I know, stupid, ain't it? But yeah, I was that bad. So sorry if I start coughing, but I'm finally better. Well, a little bit. It's just sorry if you can hear it in my voice. I don't know. And I've got so good in the back. Oh, that is ugly. I got so good in the background, and I really like it. So I have to do that. I don't know if you heard it or not, but I have to do that because I'm a cheap ass. I'm not getting the full version of screencast. Oh, yeah. So I'm just gonna find some stuff. Oh wow, she's awesome. As I said before, right? I'm gonna actually go find outfit of my own for Easter because I don't like any of the stuff in the theme. Oh wow, I like that hair. It's a really cute colour. Don't like Zayn, but cute top. Thanks for the thought. I really like the shape of the top though. It's really nice. Oh, I love this skirt, but I never buy it for myself. Give her a gift back. Give her a nice dress. Hurry. Sorry, I thought my sound microphone was off. That would have been awkward. I give her a nice outfit. I think I might need to change the song. I'm gonna start singing in a second. No one wants to hear that. Anyway, as I was saying before, I actually put on my status I'm quitting YouTube and all that. I didn't mean that. I just had a really bad day. So yeah, I just felt a bit down. So yeah, I just felt really bad. I felt like, why did I say that? Because like, no one really cared though. Yeah. So, but I'm happy with the views I get because it's not about subscribers, it's about the content. And if you don't watch my videos, you don't want to watch my videos. It's better. Anyway, so I've been really peed off lately because, as you may know from my past videos, my stepbrother's come to stay. What joy! And yeah, basically, he's been a little bastard. Sorry. Basically, he's the rudest, most disgusting person ever. And I said to my mum, can I strangle him? That's how bad he is. And I'm a nice person. So, yeah, he's just really horrible. I hate him. That's what I've been watching lately, these Minecraft videos. Especially Joe Graceffa's Crazy Grass. Crazy Grass. Crazy, Crazy Craft. Yeah. Oh, I like Brian Adams. I can't remember the song I like. I think it's Everything I Do. Yeah, I think so. Right. Yeah, it's a song. Right, I might do like kind of a Playboy theme, but I just need to find like this cute hair. Right, so anyway, what else has been happening? Well, later on I'm gonna make a big cake. This is it's gonna be fine. I'm gonna do that thing that I do for the separate cake. So I've got all different food colorings. And I can put some chocolate on the outside, so it looks really brown, and then sorry, go on the inside. It has also a rainbow. So yeah, it'll be fun. It's just I'm gonna bring it half here with my dad. A little bit of my mum's, but none for my stepbrother because he don't deserve it, because he's a bastard, as I've said before. And yeah, I'm not just being like a bitch for no reason. If you lived with him, bloody hell, he's going to school soon. Yeah, I'm not saying which one, but he's gonna it was my old school, so he's gonna be so bad, and he lies a lot, so he's probably gonna make loads of stories up about me. So, but I don't give a fuck, because most of the people at that school, they don't know me, because it's only year 5, and I didn't hang out with year 5s. So, well, I'm talking about when I was year 6 and all that. That was ages ago. I like this hair. If you play Minecraft, I've done loads of rainbow stuff. Sorry, I just tuned out. I did loads of rainbow stuff on Minecraft. Just the only thing is, my rainbow looked shit. So I feel a bit down because my rainbow didn't turn out. And blimey, something of mine doesn't turn out right. I no, especially because it's my rainbow and all. Okay, this is actually quite cute. I wish those bunny ears. I'll go to I'm just gonna go to headwear. I'm gonna pause until I've had some. Okay, right, this is the closest thing I found. So let's do that for now, and then dress. Oh crap, it's been like 8 minutes already. Gosh. Yeah. So that means I'm just gonna pause until I find a good outfit. So see you in a bit. Found an outfit. By the way, I know some people will be like, oh, why don't she just edit it going quickly? But one, I'll run out of recording, and two, I can't edit. Last time I tried to edit, I lost my whole recording. So yeah. Anyway, let me just buy this. So yeah, halfway through level 30, so I'm quite happy. Won't let me press my piggy bank. Oh shit. Sorry, I need to shut up. Anyway, I think I might end the video, lags. So, right, bye guys. Oh, actually, hold on, I'm gonna have a look at the animations. Sorry if you heard that. If you did, just delete the video, unsubscribe. Right, these aren't that great, so I'll end the video here. Right, thanks. Oh, I need to shut up. Let's have a look at these. Not that great either. Okay, right. Now for real, I really am ending the video. Right, thank you guys, and I will probably record later because I haven't recorded for ages. So yeah, bye.